Hello friends, in this video you will learn what uses of should have to and should have to have. So let me start the discussion about both these words. I need that many persons know what is used of it. But today I'm going to explain for those persons who don't know how to use it. So let me show you my first word should have to. And this model verb often used with verb first form, and it can be used to show some present action that you must have to do. But it doesn't mean that you are forcing someone to do something. But it does mean that you are suggesting someone to do something. Let me show you a few examples. You should have to go there. In this sentence, you are suggesting someone to go anywhere. For example, you and your friends work together and your friend don't like to go to home, and you are telling him that going to home it is very important thing. So you should have to go to home, you should have to meet your parents, you should have to meet your friends and family. So here you are suggesting your friends to going to home, it is very important thing. And let me show you my second example. We should have to help to each other. In this sentence, you are expecting to do help someone. For example, you and your friends work in the same company and you do not talk with your friends because your friends don't like to go to home. So you are disappointed with him. But one day you thought you should have to meet your friends. You should have to talk with your friends. So when you met your friends, so you started talking politely, like we should have to talk with each other, we should have to help to each other. So here you are expecting and suggesting your friends that we should have to help to each other, as well as you are trying to show him that helping each other it is very important thing. And let me show you my third and last example. He should have to do something of his disease. In this sentence, you are advising someone to do something. For example, your friend had a heart disease, but he was not care anything. But one day you met with your friends and you told him that you should have to care about your heart disease because it is very important thing. And let me show you my second word should have to have. And this modal verb often used with noun. It can be used to show something that should be available in the present, as well as this modal verb also showing that thing is very important. So let me show you some example. If she want to join a call center, she should have to have good communication skill in English. So this sentence is showing that if she want to join a call center, she should have skill of speaking English. As well as this sentence is showing speaking English is very important thing. And let me show you my second example. We should have to have this book if we want to learn English grammar in details. This sentence is also showing availability of the book that should be available in your hand in the present. For example, we all want to learn speaking English. So for learning speaking, we should have to have grammar book. As well as this sentence is showing grammar books is very important. So I hope you have understood about should have to and should have to have. If you think it was helpful for you, so please like and subscribe my channel. So today all uses of should has been completed. So I hope you have been learning a lot of from my video. So thank you for watching my video.